Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to apply for a job on Walmart. If you want to look for a job at Walmart, then you can simply follow the video till the end, which will guide you through how you will be able to employed right away at Walmart. First of all, open a web browser and then type in careers.walmart.com and press enter to end up in the Walmart career portal. Once you end up in this main homepage, you can go ahead and search for jobs by selecting the areas from the list. Filter search the area you'd like to find jobs on and then type in the job title or keyword. Select your locations where you'd like to apply from. Select the locations you'd like to look for the jobs on, and then once you find the correct location that is suitable for you, click on the apply button to apply for the job on the next page. Go through the following disclaimers and click on I agree and click continue. You will now find yourself in the hiring center, from where you can log in as a returning candidate or search for jobs nearby. You'll need to enter your zip code or your city's name or your state's name and click search. Once you find the available jobs, you can click continue and then select current openings, enter the type of employment you are looking for, select the shifts you'd like to work on, and click on the specific hours you can work and click on continue. Now on the next page, you will need to set up your account. Type in your email and confirm your email. Make sure to create a password for yourself. Confirm your password on the next field. Select your preferred language for communication. Enter your mobile number. You can also add an alternate contact number if available and click on the Create Account button at the bottom. Now fill in the necessary information such as application and assessments. Make sure you fill out all of the necessary forms such as your personal information that includes your first name, zip code, and the last 6 digits of your social security number. After filling in all of the details, click next, and you will then be able to apply for a job that you've selected. You'll also need to complete the Walmart job application form, which will include your work experience, skills, and preferences. Make sure to be thorough and accurate with your responses, and depending on the position, you may need to complete specific assessment exams. After you are done filling in your application, it will take time to complete. After you complete your application, you will then be provided with a job on Walmart. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.